We've got 1, 2, 3 different knives here from Vosteed and also a little bit of a care package here in this video. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're going to have an epic unboxing. As you can see, we have multiple different knives to go through. So we're going to go ahead and cut to the chase. But I want to start off with this first one here. It looks like we have a raccoon, of course. Probably the Vosteed mascot by now. And here we go. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a keychain. And in case you don't know by now, the Vosteed Raccoon is probably Vosteed's most popular model. So this one's looking here pretty cute, right? If you would, right? With the whole mascot and actual kind of like lanyard sort of keychain sort of situation going on here. Nice little touch. Looking nice. We're going to go ahead and move on to, again, we got 3 knives. I want to go ahead and start with this Christmassy one here. This one's looking interesting. And I'm going to have the Parallel do the honors. I've been really enjoying the Parallel in 2025. So it's one of my really most favorite knives of the year. I wonder if it came out this year or was it last year? Now I'm not entirely sure. I know for a fact this crystallized titanium came out this year. And man, have I been rocking this knife a ton, guys. So there will be links in the description and pinned comments for all these knives, so you guys can check out prices, availability, and variants. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look in here, see what we're working with. All right, let's take a look. Here we go. What is this first one all about? Holy macaroni, ladies and gentlemen. We have a Christmas theme Vosteed Nightshade. I think that's what we're working with here. Mini Nightshade to be exact. So it's got the YG10. It's got some reindeer going on both sides. It's got that sort of copper looking color with matching hardware as well. We'll check that out in a moment, but this is also interesting. We got a matching sort of carry slip as well, right, with a little elastic band on the side, maybe to put your pen on there or what have you. Or it could look something like this. Let's give it a shot. There we go. That actually looks pretty good. I do have this Concept EDC bolt action pen right here we unboxed recently. So that could also work right there on the side, or maybe a smaller pen. That's actually looking pretty nice with the Vosteed logo embossed in the front. We got 2 more things. We got 2 leather straps. These have little clip-ons as well, so I'm assuming maybe we can, all right, this is let's see, but exactly how this ties up with this, that's interesting, right? There's also a different color, right? They're a different color finish. This is a darker brown. This is a lighter, more brandy looking color. Also branded there with the Vosteed horse. And also we got a little Velcro raccoon, right? Little patch here. And again, what's different here is a black and white raccoon. Most raccoons are in the gray shade, I would say, black and gray and a little bit of white. So this raccoon here with actual color, right? It's interesting to me. We're making good progress so far. Let's get the knife out here, of course, get it deployed, see what it has going on for it. All right, here we go. Bam, right? Check it out. Now, we have checked out the Nightshade before here in the channel. And I want to say this one came out a little while ago, but it's nice to see a nice little refresh here with the Christmas theme. Again, we have that beautiful leaf-shaped blade with a full flat grind. This thing is super slicey. Loving the color matching, of course, going all throughout the knife. And we have a cartridge liner going on this one, so it only goes up until about right there. And we have a deep pocket carry clip that is reversible with a crossbar lock. So we're getting, there we go, pretty snappy action right there. Nice and fidgety. Reverse flick. Yes, we can do that all day. It doesn't really take that much flick of the wrist. Just got to disengage and just let the blade fall shut. It's going to be, I think this is the mini, right? Because there is a big size, regular size Nightshade, and that one's pretty substantial size-wise. But yeah, this mini one right here, I'm still able to get a full 4-finger grip. Right, able to get a full purchase with my average size hand, so still definitely great for everyday carry, no doubt. We have a matching aluminum back spacer here and even some jimping on the liner here at the top, so that's looking pretty tight. And yeah, overall, you know, just a nice little smaller EDC form factor for everyday carry with some great action. And if you like that kukri style, right, geometry right there, this one of course is going to be right up your alley. Of course, it's available in many different variants. I'm not sure if this Christmas one is just a special version for content creators or if they have it on the website, but I will have all the links down below so you guys can check them out. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the next one here. We'll have the Nightshade here do the honors. There we go. And let's see here. Oh, speaking of the raccoon, I mean, come on now. By the way, in the box, we always have some Very tight fit paperwork. And a Vosteed card with a Raccoon sticker. And here we go, we got the wiping cloth in the Vosteed orange. And of course, we got the now iconic Velcro pouch here from Vosteed with a nice little leather patch here in the front. And let's see what's unique, special about this Raccoon. Again, like I was saying earlier, the Raccoon is one of, if not the most popular model from Vosteed. From their lineup, it's basically an icon by now, right? If you don't own a Raccoon and you're kind of getting started, right, that's understandable. But if you've been doing the hobby for a while here, you absolutely owe it to yourself to check out a Vosteed Raccoon, especially this model we have here. Now, the Raccoon comes in a lot of different flavors. There is a crossbar lock, but this one is the button operated liner lock. So it's an updated version with the new button operated liner lock. We have thumb studs here, a blacked out blade, loving the green micarta handles on here with a nice little gold matching backspacer. Aluminum, by the way, matching the thumb studs, and we have proud liners here as well. So without further ado, let's get it deployed here. And bam, all right, there we go. That is the new, I want to say this might be, if I'm not mistaken, I will double check here, future me double check, this might be the new Vosteed Raccoon 2.0. Right? I know that the 2.0 just recently released and they went back through and they updated a few things. And the reason why I have a feeling is the 2.0 is because of this situation here. They updated a few things. For example, you can now get a much better grip here on the forward choke position. That's looking pretty tight there. It used to be slightly different on the original, right, setup. And I'll probably put a diagram here on the screen so you can see the differences between this one and the OG one, but this is definitely one that stands out to me. They also added some jimping down here as well, so again, it just feels way more natural. We have two jimping zones also here. We have this one back here and this one up in the front. It's a little bit more of a finer jimping in the front, a little bit more spread out back there, right? Of course, a good old flat grind drop point blade with a 14C 28N steel. This one's black wash to match all the blacked out hardware and liners on this particular model, which looks so good. Internal milling for weight reduction on the non-top liner lock side. And again, checking the action here. Oh man, listen to this. Oh, come on now. All right, am I exaggerating, or does that sound really nice? Yeah, let me know in the comments. It feels like a freaking whip. It only works with a thumb deployment. If I do deploy from the button lock, it sounds a little bit different. If I reverse flick, there we go, I get the same sound right there. Loving that. Okay, that is really, really good on the acoustics department. Of course, multiple deployment options, which is great. Got that fidget factor. We have a deep pocket carry clip that is reversible with an insert on the other side. Love to see it. And of course, the ergos are going to be really, really good. This is one of the best pocket clip that Vosteed has, and they have it on many models. So I can do the hammer grip, I can do the forward choke position, and of course, I mean, you already know this thing is a beast of an EDC knife by now. It can do so much and it feels so good on hand. No wonder it is so popular. This revision just kind of builds up on that. It makes it even sweeter. I mean, at this point, there's even a special version that I haven't gotten a chance to check out in person, but it has the V anchor lock. That one is pretty sweet. That Raccoon with the V anchor lock. If you guys have checked it out, let me know in the comments. We'll definitely love to hear your thoughts on that one. And hopefully I can check that one out sometime in the future. But yeah, this 2.0 version right here, Vosteed, again, revising the recipe, making it even better, adding some things here and there to make the recipe as good as it can be. And I gotta tell you, man, it absolutely works. They did a really good job here. Of course, going to be on ball bearings with some good action, right? And in case you were wondering, we got the subscribe stick of truth right here. I normally do the whack test with plunge lock button locks, right? With the liner lock being a completely different locking mechanism. Think like a compression lock, but of course with the ease of use of a button instead. And it is technically a way stronger locking system than a good old plunge lock button lock. But I'm gonna get my finger safe grip here and we're gonna go ahead and give it a couple whacks, see how it goes. All right, no issues there. Let's do a few more. And absolutely no surprises at all. I'm just doing this for the heck of doing this because I had a feeling we weren't going to have any issues with Vosteed's button operated liner lock. It's one of the strongest of its kinds in the market. And not a lot of companies are doing this, to be honest. Kaiser, Quechua, right? Vosteed, to name a few, but don't see many other companies doing it. More and more companies should do this version of a button lock instead of a plunge lock button lock, if you ask me. But hey, we got one more knife we're gonna go ahead and check out, and this is it right here. This is gonna be something special, you guys. So hopefully you guys are just as excited as I am, because this is a brand new model dropping out here 2025. Vosteed just wanted to go out with a bang here in the year 2025. Today is the 30th, where we a day away pretty much from the last day of 2025. And Vosteed was like, listen, we're gonna finish off the year here with quite the banger here. So it's coming on a plastic green case like this. You already know it's going to be something special. Vosteed does an excellent job pricing their premium models with all the inflation and everything that has been going on for years. I think ever since I got into the scene about 3 years ago, right, their premium models have been around the $250, right, $249 price range. And guess what? They're still in that price range today, right? This day and age, they're still there. So we got this knife. That's going to be absolutely something. I'm excited for that. And of course, you got the usual stuff, wiping cloth, right, paperwork, stickers, and all that. But let's see what the new ThunderBeast, right, that's the name on this one, the ThunderBeast is all about. And we have the kind of reverse tuxedo, perhaps. We have the gray on black combo here. For starters, we got titanium here on the handles. Of course, you already recognize that pivot, right? That is very unique to Vosteed. We have the V anchor lock on the ThunderBeast, and it looks like we have multiple deployment options. We got a back flipper here with multiple jimping here, up there, and on the side. We have a big old front flipper and a crazy wide opening hole, right? You can get out of here, here, there, anywhere. So that's the way to do an opening hole right there, if you ask me. We have a matching titanium backspacer as well with some milling. It looks like we have internal liners. We'll take a look at that. And of course, a matching blacked out titanium pocket clip. Really digging the whole black and gray combo here, to be honest. Really digging this color wave. We have a lanyard solution here. And guess what? In order to not show the hardware on this side, we only see 2 circles. Those are the, I want to say, the very end of the screws that we see on the other side. So something that we're seeing more and more companies do to avoid, right, less hardware showing, right, at least if they can help it on the show side. That's exactly what we have going on here. That's why we only see it from the opposite end. I personally don't hate it. I don't dislike it. I think that's a good call, and I'm here for it. I like it. But let's go ahead and get this thing deployed, shall we? All right, I'm going to go reverse flick for the win. And bam, holy macaroni. Ladies and gentlemen, my kind of geometry right here all day. Sign me up. Beautiful reverse Tanto sheep's foot blade. This one's got a little bit of a belly there, so you can still do some belly type of work with almost a full flat grind. This one is blacked out here with the M390 steel. I got a switch going on here, slightly very small harpoon, right? Kind of debatable whether to call that a harpoon or not, but it's kind of sort of there, right? You guys be the judge. But one thing is for sure, Vosteed knows EDC, Vosteed knows ergos. And man, oh man, check this out. I'm able to get a full 4-finger grip and the hammer grip and good old finger choil up here. We can forward choke on this bad boy all day. Get some work done for sure. I love the utilitarian tip. We can do draw cuts, utility cuts all day. Little pinch grip type of cuts also. Digging that. And the action. Action is going to be, oh wow. Yeah, action is going to be super drop shot. It's going to be technically a pivot lock in a way, right? They just have a specific name for it. It's the V anchor lock. But wow, that feels so good. And it feels so mechanical as well. Very nice. Back flipper. That is money right there. Sign me up.
Money!
We can light switch it. We can, okay, wouldn't recommend push buttoning it just because this front flipper part has to clear, right? You wouldn't want your finger to get in the way. So light switching is the way to go. And then front flipper. Wow. Listen, they know how to tune deployment options, that's for sure. Wow. Some people typically say, I don't like front flippers because they are too quirky or difficult. They hurt my finger. I'll tell you what, not the case with this one. Right? You can do reach around. You can do good old side of the thumb right there. You could do probably side of the index finger, just like that. So multiple different ways, and it just works. Would have been nice if the jimping wrapped all the way around to the top. Not necessarily the case here, but even so, right? Still works so good, right? Just effortless, to be honest. And also the jimping is quite nice. It's not the crazy jimping that's going to beat up the side of your thumb and eat away at your skin, right? After you deploy like 3 times. This is some very nice subtle, but yes, very functional jimping there for sure. Spidey flick, thumb deployment. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Now I know for a fact these have been selling out here pretty fast. I know Vosteed does their release and then eventually we get the knife. So I got the knife here a few days after the drop, and you know, at least 3 models are sold out of 4 different variants on the Vosteed website. I'm also going to link Blade HQ and a few other places down in the description and pin comment. So you got some different options, right? If the model you're looking for is not in stock in one dealer, you'll be able to find it in the other. All right, I'll put some different links there you guys can use. But holy macaroni, right? This thing is an absolute banger right here, right? It's got the size. Can't complain. Well, the knife is too small, Miguel. It's too tiny, right? Definitely got the size. It's got the action, the deployment, strong locking mechanism, right? Which is the V anchor lock. Which again, if you haven't seen a teardown of the V anchor lock, you really should. You know, you can check multiple videos here on YouTube. I haven't personally done one myself, but you can check out Lefty EDC's V anchor lock takedown for sure. I recommend. He does like a deep dive, taking it apart and everything. It's just crazy how they manage to get this one to work. I mean, it's a whole different take. Many companies have different takes on what a pivot lock would be, and I feel like Vosteed is one of the most epic ones. Now, I want to correct myself really quick. We have no liner on this side, just a whole lot of milling, and the only side we have the liner is on the pocket clip non-show side. We have a little bit of a liner there that's required for the V anchor lock to work. So there you go, and it does have, you know, some decent weight to it. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, right? Just the right amount of weight for a premium knife. And I gotta tell you, I think out of all the V anchor lock models right here, this one might be one of my all-time favorites. It's right up there with the Vosteed and Kylo, right? The OG one to have the V anchor lock. I like the Chilean cutter a lot. I also like the Corgi V as well. Those are some of my all-time favorites for sure with the V anchor lock. But this new sauce right here absolutely sign me up. Vosteed again finishing the year strong. Again, we looked at the Vosteed Raccoon 2.0 with the button operated liner lock. We got some Christmas theme in there with the new Mini Nighshade, right, with the reindeer going on there. We got some swagger here with the nice little keychain raccoon pet, if you would. And why not? I'll throw in there the Parallel that we used to unbox some of these knives, guys. All these are going to be linked down below if you guys want to check them out. They also support the channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you and at 0 extra cost. Don't take it from me, right? You're welcome to check your favorite YouTuber. Vosteed is absolutely killing it, absolutely killing it in 2025. They came up with so many different models. They're wrapping the year strong here with the ThunderBeast, and I'm just excited for what they have in store for 2026, guys. The year's almost over. Thank you all so much for your love and support. You guys are amazing. Let me know your thoughts on these. What do you like about them? What do you love about them? Is there anything you dislike about them? Let me know. Let's hang out in the comment section down below. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.